dear Boneba say interactive.
Okay.
Menewo and ye for near for and ye didn't come on. And see, ye mobi aquaba. Ubet me a joining. Ewo Nhyira TV, ewo YouTuber. And ka ebeye me de pa, especially for the first in common you know. Then you enjoy whilst you follow the pictures any bibia for the presentation on kabeboa. Now Rich, first in common be see dinner, me see more interactive no. Enra the Professional Footballers Association. IFN FIFPro. Every year be omo koto aba professional players now we as koto aba. Now omo koto aba what they first do and say omo the first short list of 26 players eba in various positions for football mo say ope players our position mu our field so these are the best. Now Rich omo the short list in about bontia. They've already voted according to more votes. Then they will do what they are seeing in IFN, the FIFPro World 11. Now it's say according to players nankasa na omobobo no. Omujidi say offer individual players na odo omo hye formation a. Every formation bia no these are the best players e wo wiase. Rich. The 2025 FIFPro Men's World 11 shortlist number.
Okay.
Inti eba enra. Inti what we want to do on this platform and say maybe say ye tie phone ya hefo nyina ye fa short list no of 26 players no na ye first 11 based on matches ni games are ya share within the year under retrospect no see ye say ye first 11 who are we going to choose? Now, this is what we are going to do. For every position, I will mention mine.
Okay.
Sir, ocean listening, only me ya yo, me no ya. Only me ya na ujiri se obi fufra. Now so odo diaba. Now, what we here at TF and I say, Ashafua will follow you know. What you can do is to also bring in your message and do also a selection as we go along, you know. And that is the exercise. They start your foreign news analysis, you know. Now, Rich, goalkeepers near me, sir.
Okay.
Donnarumma, Alisson Becker, Thibaut Courtois. I think, sir, it is the cheapest I can do because me sure said the year under review, goalkeeper be at the goal, etching Gigi Donnarumma. And me goalkeeper for the FIFPro World 11, Donnarumma.
Ajay 4 trophies.
GBBA.
The PSG.
The only trophy I am missing within the year under review will be the FIFA Club World Cup.
GBBA.
Yes, and even with that crown, Oko final.
Sure.
And yes, sir, he was a passive goalkeeper. Say, if you know the good team, he was impactful. Like, what you say? Okay, who be part of PSG be
against Arsenal.
Against Liverpool.
Super safe.
Oh, Rich. Me also say you agree with me.
Me know you.
And Donnarumma will be your goalkeeper. Now, Rich, in FIFPro, we are say there is no right back better than Ashraf Hakimi. And meaning say only me choice in here agenda right and left back in the Ashraf Hakimi. And Nuno Mendes, Oma for that position.
So it means that from a goalkeeper,
yes,
and 2 and 3 they all from PSG.
Yes,
okay.
And I don't know what's so choice. Who should defenders in will you have preferred Obi Fofana?
No, on say Ayala and come on, ye dear the Abeka Kusian say, a Kusi saying because Anyasa goalkeepers in the sea me. And now I'm saying now can say me and I last week now can say about goalkeeper we are say who feel setable Courtois underrated. And I agree with you on that.
Me I've said it to me in the last 5 seasons.
Yeah.
Courtois is the best goalkeeper in the world.
They know you're doing. Me say cause will be a goalkeeper. So would be bia yedi susu goalkeeper
Nhyira
Abrante no otake every box.
Yeah.
Tibo Kotoa complete.
Yes.
But on the football no, say do sa be ya. They be kwa kwesi say ekusi sen.
But Rich,
we ye ni nyina awie no do timi ne yeden.
You see? So woka sound. Then obitie ya, obaka so okay. Say if it is only about ekusi say, then do a PSG first 11 and make it represent FIFPro World 11.
But you PSG player bi on so a. Saudi ni be gina now the player fufuro bi be gina ho a. Obetimi make case for the other player.
Fantastic. So it is enye raw.
Okay.
Say ekosi say ngwa. We will get to some positions here. You choose any other player. For instance, now you choose Donnarumma your goalkeeper. Hakimi your number 2.
Yeah.
Nuno Mendes your number 3. Now Rich, within your 4 and 5 now. These are your choices. Pau Kubasi, Marquinhos, Saliba, Virgil van Dijk. Now, will you say your first choice of a centre back will go for Marquinhos?
No.
Because Ekosi say, that is it. That is where it gets tricky. But Rich, so will be Samia. Meaning 4 and 5 out of this list will be Marquinhos and Saliba. Straightforward. Marquinhos and Saliba. Marquinhos because Rich, he has been very, very consistent.
Okay, Ayala yenye say. Etiefo ne so mpeso obo omo kakra. Na anka bia department let's say bia goalkeeper. Na nominees no ni abobo omudi no because omo so person omo de omo FS level.
Some boy. Me do goalkeeper make I say the nominees Donnarumma, Alisson Becker, Courtois.
Okay. Obi na tuma agency bi.
And me do defenders no. Make I say you Ashraf Hakimi, Trent Alexander-Arnold, Nuno Mendes, Kubasi, Marquinhos, Saliba and Van Dijk.
Okay, and from Pamcho, one person we am friends like.
You do baby abo mu nyina. Send away you. So we on oti already ah. And you be an ehwe yen ewo Nhyira TV no so. Now Rich, I will go for Marquinhos because Mijiri say he has been one of the most consistent centre backs. But in the French league. And now Paris Saint-Germain NG Champions League. It's not attention in Banaso. But as the captain of the team, the organizational skills, the leadership, and in the personal performance in the Paris Saint-Germain backline. For instance, initially you didn't like Pacho. But how did Pacho become a good partner? Because of Marquinhos original in China, ordering him around, giving him leadership, organizing the Paris Saint-Germain team. Rich, Marquinhos abobo pa, but open 1 year, his story will be told that it is this year, and I will vote for him to be in the FIFPro World 11. No. Alongside William Saliba
of Arsenal.
Yes. Rich. The guy says that Arteta did you say on Bono. Not only for Arsenal, but even for the French national team. So international breaker. He has been impeccable. And that will be the back line. No? Donnarumma, Hakimi, Nuno Mendes, Marquinhos, and our brand here for William Saliba. And meaning say if you also complete yours, Rich, why now picking on centre backs?
Centre backs, make you see Saliba. I agree with you on Saliba. Abrante na bobo pa. Then make you see Nepeno.
Aka Van Dijk and Kubasi.
Come the Van Dijk.
So you go for Saliba, Van Dijk. Or 4 and 5.
4 and 5.
Oh, okay. And simple reason for Van Dijk choice in the bed.
My simple reason, Van Dijk Buama Liverpool J, the Premier League.
Yeah.
And yes, I agree to some extent. Sometimes I for so bano ni defensive awareness na say or from kakra bobu or manage Liverpool. But me, I think born or boy and so he yanina do Obama Liverpool yen me pair on with William Saliba. Yeah.
Okay. Now Rich, let's come to the engine room no. So over midfielders now, you have Jude Bellingham, Kevin De Bruyne, Luka Modric, João Neves of Paris Saint-Germain, Cole Palmer, Pedri, Federico Valverde, Vitinha.
Abo players dio. Pedri, Vitinha,
Valverde, Neves, Cole Palmer, Modric, Jude Bellingham, Kevin De Bruyne.
Ayala, you ready?
Look, out of all these midfielders, to make it easy for myself, Rich, and you three.
Okay.
Because normally, Obi will follow FIFPro and say they play 4-3-3. Rich, my first two straight, Makata Menukana, sorry, will be Vitinha, Pedri.
Vitinha and then Pedri.
Me 6 and 8. Vitinha, Pedri. Now, why never born number 10? And me want a little challenge.
Benya Kupama ho.
Valverde ho.
Valverde so.
And you see, normally in the FIFPro World 11, no, Rich, they don't really about midfielders now. They don't really say, oh, we're a defensive midfielder. We're no. They always choose the best three.
Okay.
You choose them not on my show. And there are a lot of years, on my three midfielders now there's no conventional DM. But the answer why you the best three midfielders.
Okay.
Not on my show. Rich, say me if Vitinha and Pedri feel list with moi. They add up to make it treno, and there ain't a problem. Senka me follow purely on performance power, and can go for João Neves, also from Paris Saint-Germain. Rich, the role the guy played for Paris Saint-Germain, no, so only tactical eye to observe. Obini the oil team, you will never rate him. But me sure say, if you have a one-on-one interview with Luis Enrique, he will tell you the importance of João Neves in whatever team I find in Paris Saint-Germain a win here. I say Vitinha was peerless last season. Rich, the freedom I know what to do, sir, deep line playmaking, no, was because of what Tosomi say. Look, anytime now born Beckham, this diminutive guy will be my N'Golo Kante and get the ball back for us. Rich, I will go João Neves, Vitinha, Pedri for my three midfielders. No, that is how I will play it. Minimum choice.
Vitinha, Pedri, I agree with you 100%.
Okay.
Mranteraches umni born bo.
Third choice to be.
Me third choice no. Kamei Kupama ba Kupama so was the last season. At the bad this season na pre as on your consistent.
Okay.
What I say? Kanye sad dia. Kamei Kupama dinaka. Pedri and then Vitinha.
Okay.
But I go for Valverde.
We go for Federico Valverde.
Federico Valverde.
Okay.
Yeah.
And why?
My simple reason, I ran to Bobo and all my options be.
Okay.
My simple reason. Okay. All my options be on the field of play.
Okay.
Can you say that I can go for Kupama?
Okay.
Yeah.
I respect your choice.
Okay.
Now, any more three? Ousmane Dembele, Erling Haaland, Kylian Mbappe, Messi, Rafinha, Mo Salah, Ronaldo, Lamine Yamal.
See, anyone also three.
Dembele, Haaland, Mbappe, Rafinha, Messi, Ronaldo, Salah, Lamine Yamal. Rich, me It is said them here no midfield no. My first two choices are easy. And easy because of the way the football debate in the last 3, 4, 5 months akono. And obviously Usman Dembele Lamine Yamal will be in my team.
Okay.
Now Rich, some of me inner self pardon me true conviction and ekasa the third player will be Rafinha. For Bob and him share last season, you know. Some players in the park so more ball based on performance will be Rafinha. But some team namu wo Dembele namu wo Lamine Yamal. Rich me did say ma compromise Rafinha position no e dey ama omu baako.
So now you need a goal poacher.
Yes. And that is where Kylian Mbappe comes in.
Okay. Which me know you again.
What will my say no? Senka me here to myself. I should have gone for Usman Dembele, Rafinha. But Ayala will say, baby, I want to do Rafinha Bejina no. Because of the story around Lamine Yamal, who do you sacrifice Rafinha and Lamine Yamal Bejina how they are? Then I don't think say I have to pick Rafinha again. Rich, I will then go for Kylian. Look, last season, Real Madrid as a team, Oman said them whoso, Oman G League, Oman G Champions League. But Rich, the individual performance of Kylian Mbappe, unless you don't follow, he was super good. Until that will be my front three: Dembele, Lamine Yamal, then Kylian Mbappe as my front.
Oh, they me know ya drink. Players not choosing now because yes, she team there. Now on Dembele and then Lamine Yamal, your good passers of the ball. You need a goal poacher.
Finish
the balls in the amount.
And you think says
Kylian Mbappe.
Okay.
Yeah.
So my team, Donnarumma, Hakimi, Nuno Mendes, Marquinhos, Saliba, João Vitinha, João Neves, Vitinha, Pedri, Usman Dembele, Lamine Yamal, Kylian Mbappe. Rich say, my team, Donnarumma, Hakimi, Mendes, Saliba, Van Dijk, Vitinha, Pedri, Fedri Valverde, Usman Dembele, Lamine Yamal, Kylian Mbappe. And what would say, what is your FIFPro 111? Ubetimi also any aba na conversation I the dead.
AJ Ministries also ni goalkeeper no be Donnarumma. Hakimi, Mendes, Saliba, Marquinhos, Vitinha, Rafinha, Pedri, Mbappe, Dembele, Lamine Yamal.
So onunu echusi Vitinha, Pedri. And one to see me for the snibium. Then he went straight to bring in Rafinha as the number 10.
Sure.
Senebeya still no Benya Kunya to choose Dembele, Lamine Yamal, and Mbappe.
Sure.
Smart move.
Okay. Derek Nsusu Obeko for Donnarumma, Hakimi, Kubasi, Saliba. Na Hakimi, Vitinha, Pedri, Kupama, Rafinha, Lamine Yamal, Mbappe.
Okay. So on Usman Dembele.
Dembele.
Okay.
On Dembele.
Obebo Barcelona 2 wingers no. Lamine Yamal, Rafinha.
Sure.
No the Mbappe Jim.
And ni two.
Ni fifi so a.
And on Hakimi ni me know.
Obi Hakimi too.
About Hakimi.
Me just said Mendes they be ordination. Because me say about so Hakimi, Mendes, Kubasi and Marquinhos, right?
And Odi Kupama.
And Obo Kupama with Vitinha and Pedri. That is also a good one. That is also a very, very good one.
Opagino, where is Messi and Ronaldo? Is on the Omoyi.
But only say me who FIFPro 111 no. my first place is an over pedia kukura foi so now press no ji omudio rich
oh yeah
they still believe and
sanko for me na just o ma hangum boot
and you see senkai FIFA about obia and Kiabaka say oh association members no mo captains no mo coaches no omo da so watetimrem na Messi ni ayi
the
professional players themselves
still now
go and vote and say in omo 26-man shortlist there should still be Lionel Messi and Cristiano Ronaldo even though they are playing in Saudi Arabia and in the US. That is a very very interesting idea to reach. I think say as we go along, we will read some of the messages. But Mr. we've done ours way and yeah did the attempt just also states also so the preference wow personal preference now we call Eddie ama obi a open bia and ko anya hana be oh we bias na there be obi choice anya your choice until now so odi abanti in studio there ya FIFPro World 11 according to our individual preference and your opinions wa wuti here so we betimi aya odi na enkomo no aye de rich moving on from the FIFPro World 11. There is something